So if you want to fix the strap to the watch, you just go to the back of the strap. You see this, so pick one of it. This part can be closer to this part, which is here. So first of all, look at the two end of the watch. The two end of the watch, you will see an hole here and also an hole here. So you first of all take this strap, put it in one of the holes like this. Then you use your finger to pull this one in, pull it in like this, and then you leave it. So allow it to enter the other part of the hole. So you see, you are done. Then you go to the other side and you do the same thing. First of all, put this one in the first part of the hole, and use your finger to pull this one in, and then you release it. So here is it. Very easy.